If you're a content writer that wants to learn how to use ChatGPT for content writing, I will show you some very helpful prompt templates from Keywords Everywhere that you could use to generate better content faster and get more creative content ideas and more. So let's get started. Okay, so ChatGPT is so valuable for content writers, but you need to know what prompts to use for it to generate the content you're looking for. And that can be a little tricky. So that's why Keywords Everywhere created a prompt templates widget that you could use inside ChatGPT with tons of content writing prompts to help you generate the content you need. So to get access, go to keywordseverywhere.com and install this browser add-on. You can install it for Chrome and for Firefox. So once you have this installed, the next step is for you to log into your OpenAI account. So with the Keywords Everywhere extension installed and turned on, you'll notice two new things. The first one is this templates button on the left-hand side, and the second one is this continue button. So to get access to all of the content writing templates, click on the templates button, and this will open the Keywords Everywhere ChatGPT prompt templates widget. Now we need to choose a category. We're going to click on copywriting, and under the copywriting category, we need to choose a subcategory. So for this video, we're going to click on content writing. Then under content writing, these are all of the templates we can choose from. Now, as Keywords Everywhere adds more categories and templates, they will be added to this widget. Let's start with the content titles generator. So this is a perfect template that you can use to generate tons of different titles that are catchy, engaging for different blog articles. Now you need to choose a language. So you can choose from all of these different languages. I'm going to click on English, and you can choose from different voice tones as well. And there's tons of different voice tones. I'm going to click on friendly, and you can choose a writing style. So these are all of the writing styles. I'm going to click on conversational. Now at the bottom is the prompt template. So this will get updated according to the settings that you choose up here. You can see friendly tone of voice here, and then also conversational writing style right here. You can also edit the prompt however you wish as well. So if you want to remove certain things, feel free to do that. Now all we need to do is add our topic. So this is the topic for which you want titles for your article. So I'm just going to put down how to care for a puppy. Okay, so let's just say we're planning out an article around how to care for puppies, and we need titles for that article. So I'm going to put that topic here, and then you'll see that the topic is automatically added right here. So I think this template looks really good. So all I do is click on execute template. Now ChatGPT will generate 10 article titles for me that I could review and choose from. Okay, so within just a few seconds, we have 10 article titles around how to care for a puppy that we could review and pick from to write our article. Now, this button on the top right-hand side gives you some options on other things we can tell ChatGPT to do. So if you hover over it, we can tell ChatGPT to continue where it left off. We can have it clarify the output, exemplify it, expand, explain, rewrite, shorten, or even tweetify the output. So let's just say we want more than 10 article titles. So all we do is just click on please continue. And here we go. So ChatGPT is generating more article titles around how to care for a puppy. So in total, we have 20 article titles in about 10 seconds or less. Okay, so I want to show you the next content writing template. So I'm going to click on the templates button, click on the templates dropdown, and the next template is the content rewriter template. You can use this template to rewrite any type of content you wish. You can rewrite an old article on your website, or maybe you wrote a paragraph and you want it completely rewritten. This is the template for you. So I'm going to click on content rewriter, and we can choose from different languages, different voice tones, and also different writing styles. So earlier, I actually told ChatGPT to generate a paragraph for me. This is a nice paragraph, but I want it to be rewritten. So I'm just going to copy this paragraph and go back here, open up this widget, and just paste the paragraph that I want rewritten in this box right here. And at the bottom is the prompt template. And you could see the paragraph that I added is at the bottom right here. You can tweak this template if you wish, but I think this looks good, so I'm going to click on execute template. Okay, so here we go. ChatGPT is rewriting that paragraph that I pasted onto that widget. This is a great template to use to rewrite any type of content and also some old blog articles that you want to refresh. We can tell ChatGPT to do additional things as well. So if you hover over the continue button, let's just say we want this paragraph to be longer. So I'm going to click on expand. Okay, so here we go. ChatGPT is expanding on this paragraph. So very, very easy, very, very fast. Okay, so let's go to the next template. I'm going to click on the templates button, click on the templates dropdown, and content brief generator. I really like this template because this will generate an entire content brief that you could use as a guide to write your own articles, or you can send this off to other copywriters that they could use to write content for you. This template will cut back on hours of research you used to do before writing an article. So I'm going to click on Content Brief Generator. You can choose from different languages, voice tones, and also writing styles. Then we need to add an article title. I'm going to pick one that ChatGPT generated for us. I really like this one, so I'm going to copy this title, go back to my templates widget, and paste it. And as you can see at the bottom right here, that title is automatically added to the template. Lastly, we need to add our main keyword. I'm going to type how to care for a puppy. All right, so I'm going to click on execute template. So now ChatGPT will generate an entire content brief. Okay, so it is done. So at the very top, we can see the content overview. We have the title right here. It generated a meta description for us. This is the outline and what the content is about. So we have headings and subheadings. So the importance of caring for your puppy. The next heading, getting started with puppy care. The subheading of puppy proofing your home, and so on. It also included some keywords and topics that are recommended or required. So keywords like crate training, feeding puppies, exercise for puppies, grooming, socialization, training, nutrition, and so on. There's also key questions readers have that need to be answered. So what's the best way to introduce a puppy to their new home, so on and so forth. So what used to take hours to find keywords, find questions, drafting out the outline, organizing everything, that used to take hours. Now within just a few seconds, we have the entire brief generated within ChatGPT. Now we could use this to write our article, or we can share this brief with another copywriter and they could write the article for us. Now let's go to the next content writing template. So I'm going to click on the templates dropdown and content outline generator. Now this one specifically only generates the outline for you versus the brief where it has a list of keywords, questions, and so on. So this one is purely just for the outline. So I'm going to click on this one. You can choose your language, voice tones, and writing styles, but I'm going to leave those as is. And then I'm just going to paste my article title. And this is your prompt template. Now, again, you can edit this. Now it says the content outline should include a minimum of 20 headings and subheadings. I want this article to be a little shorter, so I'm going to change 20 to 10. Now all looks good. I'm going to click on execute template. Now ChatGPT will generate just the outline for us. Okay, and it is done. We have all of the headings here and also the subheadings. Now all I need to do is write my article following this outline. Okay, so let's go to the next template. So I'm going to click on the templates button, click on the templates dropdown, and monthly content calendar. So this one is one of my favorite templates because again, it saves me so much time. It will give me so many unique content ideas that I can write about and publish. So we're gonna click on this one. Okay, so we can choose from different languages, voice tones, and writing styles. So for the monthly content calendar, we need to add a topic. Okay, so this is a topic for which you want content. I'm gonna type our topic, how to care for a puppy. For the content calendar, we need to tell it how many articles per week. So I'm going to say 2 articles per week and how many months. I'm just going to say 3 months. So this is the prompt template with all of our details added to it. And I'm going to click on execute template. Okay, so this is the monthly content calendar. So we have the date on the left column here with 2 content ideas per week. So the ultimate guide to puppy nutrition, why socializing your puppy is essential, and so on. ChatGPT recommended Monday and Thursday to publish, but of course, you can tweak this table however you wish. But in just a matter of seconds, we have a full content calendar that we could use to publish new articles on our website. Okay, so let's go to the last template. So I'm going to click on the templates button, click on the templates dropdown, and click on FAQ generator. So this one is perfect for those who want to add a FAQ section on any page on their website. You can choose from different languages again, voice tones, and writing styles. Now we need to add our topic, so how to care for a puppy, and we need to tell it how many FAQs we want. So I'm just going to say we want 5 FAQs, and this is the prompt template. It looks good, so I'm going to click on execute template. Okay, so within a few seconds, we have 5 FAQs. We have the questions here. So what are the essential items needed to care for a puppy, and so on. Now we can also hover over this continue button and tell it to do other things as well, like maybe expand. Okay, so if you don't want to manually answer the questions yourself, you can tell ChatGPT to basically answer the questions for you. So you have a fully completed FAQ section that you can essentially just copy and paste on your website. So very easy, very, very simple. So the prompt templates widget from Keywords Everywhere just makes your content writing so much easier, so much faster. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to check out our other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.